Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the new GENMAX GM3500Xi. This is a open frame generator. As you can see, there's no enclosure. It's just open construction type generator. But guess what guys? This has something special. It has CO detect and it is a full inverter generator. That's your inverter right here. It's an enclosed inverter. We're going to take a closer look at the front panel. This generator also has something special. It has a special muffler that GENMAX made for this open frame generator to actually have less noise than a typical open frame generator. So we're going to do a dB test on it. We're going to be testing it with some loads. Let's take a closer look at the generator, okay? Okay guys, this is the front of the generator. Main switch. So you have a main switch right here, on, off, low idle, or eco mode. Your hour meter, that's the only display on this generator, keeping the price real reasonable on this generator. Hour meter, you have a push to reset. This is your CO alert I was talking about. Manual choke. You got your 3-pin 30 amp output. And there's your reset for that breaker. There's a breaker for that output circuit. And right here, you have two GFCI protected 20 amp. There's your reset for that 20 amp. You get USB, you get two USB plugs, so you can charge some cell phone devices and USB devices. This is parallel capable, okay? So you could join this with another one and get parallel output. 3,500 starting, 3,200 running. Manual start only. No key start, no battery, bare bone system right here. So if someone wants less electronics, just a generator you can have, GENMAX will give you 3,500 watts, and it's an inverter generator, so that means you could run it on your RV. Okay, you have your inverter right here. Come to the back side. This is your carburetor. This is where your oil would be. Air cleaner. This is your fuel shutoff valve right here. So you could turn this off to close the gas, start the carburetor, and open it, get gas back in the carburetor. This is the muffler, real big muffler for this generator, and spark arrestor, so it is park safe. You have your fuel tank on top, and it does have a manual fuel gauge right on top, so you can see how much gas is in the generator, okay? If you can see right here, this is the same 145cc engine. At half load, you can get 8.5 hours run on this generator. And that's a 2.2 gallon tank. Okay, so 2.2 gallon tank on top. At 50%, you get 8.5 hours of runtime. That's where you want to be, right at 50%. This unit weighs 57.3 pounds. So it's a real light unit. You can actually pick this up and put it in the back of the truck with no problem. Okay guys, let's start it up. I'll put some gas in there. Get the oil inside the generator, get some gas in the generator. Let's take it outside, do a quick dB test. Okay guys, the generator is gassed up, got oil in it. Let's fire it up. Hit your switch to on, pull your choke. That's your start right here. Okay. Open frame. It is going to be a little louder, but that's going to keep the price. And it's going to be able to run in much hotter conditions than an enclosed generator. Because you do get that inverter generator, guys. This is not a conventional modified sine wave generator. This is a pure sine wave inverter generator. Let's take it out there, do a quick dB test. Okay guys, we got the GENMAX out here. Let's step back 23 feet, do a quick dB test on eco mode. Okay guys, right at 23 feet. Say 54.4. Eco mode off. $59.4, eco mode off. Okay guys, I know I gotta show it. There you go, pure sine wave, okay? Generator has a pure sine wave. It's an inverter generator on an open frame. All right, had to show it to you. There you go. Okay guys, we're gonna be doing some testing on this generator. Since it's an open frame generator, I wanna run it with some of my power tools. We're gonna use this adapter right here. Put it in the 30 amp plug. Okay, so we're gonna use the 30 amp plug to a 320 volt plug, so I can connect a lot of my air compressor, my light. We have a sawzall, drill, skill saw, and a DeWalt chop saw. Let's see if we can start all these loads, see what we got. Okay, let's connect the air compressor. Then we'll do the skill saw and the chop saw. Okay, so turn some lights on. Okay guys, it's 2,000 watts of lights, okay? Compressor's on. Piece of pipe to cut. Easy. Like butter. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Quick review of the GENMAX GM35Xi bare bones open frame inverter generator with CO monitor. Guys, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.